Just pulled up to the car wash here. I'm gonna do the undercarriage so that I can treat it with the rust performer. So hopefully I'll be able to do that now. Alright, hit it with some engine cleaner. So this green stuff is. Soaked it up. So now I'm about to, then I hit it with some soap. And last but not least, now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it all off. Alright, and about 50. So the main thing was to hit the whole undercarriage, and that is done. Alright, so here you go. So this is the undercarriage. It's pretty dry, all things considered, based on where she's from. This I'll have to do at some point to get heat back in her. But yeah, so here's the before. I'll go ahead and got rid of most of the rust. I'm still going through it. However, I did run out of Rust-Oleum rust reformer, and it appears that they don't carry that anywhere, but big difference, right? Luckily, I was able to pick this up. I picked up the last 7 cans they had, and this is cheap, it's $5. This is $8 at $7.49. It used to be at AutoZone, at Home Depot. AutoZone carries it for $10, but again, they don't have it either. So completely done. The Iron Armor version, it's different. It's not as thick. It doesn't lay on as easily, but it does work.